Abaco was community, family oriented. Everybody knew everybody. It sounded like a train was passing. My husband is like, we're not gonna die in this house. If we're gonna die trying to get somewhere for shelter. Let's go to my cousin that lives like 5 minutes from where we live. But it felt like it took years for us to get there. When we got to her house, downhill it began. That was the worst part of my life. You had to been there to understand it and experience it. My house, the life that I put into that, to home, to make it a home, it's all gone. We didn't have a break. Because right after the hurricane, when you thought you were gonna start rebuilding, the COVID came along. It's taken a toll on a lot of people. Colors haven't completed this yet. There's still some work to be done in the kitchen. Red Cross and car is what get me where I'm at today. I can get materials and fix the house, and I got a bed.
You got a bed?
Oh my God, that was the best. Oh, I was so happy because I had an air mattress, and I was like, oh my God, my back is killing me. I sleep so good. Just simple things makes you very grateful, you know, just to have a good bed to sleep in. Nothing was in here. We had a generator. Everything was gutted out. And I got an air mattress, and we used to sleep right out here, right in the middle here on the air mattress. But now we have a bed. I'm getting there. It's gonna take time, but I'm grateful for the little that I have. Even though I lost everything, but I'm grateful. I am a survivor. And I will continue to survive. Which whatever is given to me, I will use it and survive with it. You know, you guys save our lives, believe it or not. Because you're leaving your family and back home, and with this COVID and everything, you guys still here helping us. And I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.